I don't think China has quite said that international law does not apply to this. I think what they have said is they have claims which existed long before international law came into existence, and these have to be given due weight because international law does not go back to things which preceded it. Now, I'm not a lawyer, so I presume there's some plausibility in that argument, but from the point of view of a country which must survive in an international system where there are big countries and small, and the outcomes cannot be determined just by might is right, I think international law must have a big weight in how disputes are resolved. And if you are a big country, well, you bend the rules. The US is a big country. So there is international law, but you have not ratified UNCLOS. You have not subscribed to the International Criminal Court. And there are other occasions when if things go against you in WTO, well, there are a lot of people who say, why do I have to follow this? But because the US generally follows international law, and people see the US as a country which is rule-abiding and law-abiding, and not just a country which is on top because might is right, therefore the US enjoys respect and even affection. And people accept and welcome you around the world. And if China can reach that position, I think it will have made a great achievement. It's, of course, up to each country to choose how you're going to do this. And great powers have their own logic and their own calculus, and nobody can say how it will develop. But I know that the Chinese have seen other great powers which have tried to rise by might. And they have cited the examples of the Spanish and the Portuguese and the German Reich and the Soviet Union and the British Empire. And they have said all those have come, risen, and fallen. And they are trying not to make the same mistake. And I wish them every success in avoiding it.